Hey there, y'all. Disney D Prince here today with another Na 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 surprise unboxing. Today we have two of the Series 1 Na 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 surprise minis. These are not the full size, they're not the regular size. These are a new one that has been released recently here for 2023. They are about the size of a Chelsea doll, it's looking. So I'm wondering what their fashions are going to be like and how big their heads are actually going to be. They retail for $10. I picked up these two at Walmart today just for the fun of it to see what they're like. They are surprise dolls, so you don't really get a choice of which one you're going to get. These are the 12 that you can get. As you can see, we've got two boys in that lineup, and they all look pretty cute. So we'll see which ones we get. And then here is the UPC in case you're trying to find them in stores. Thanks, Mini-Me. So let's see which one we got in this one. Right? There we go. Alright. So we just kind of pop it out. Let's take a look at which ones we can get. So we get one of these. So kind of hoping to get Michael Manchester because his outfit looks kind of the cutest. And then maybe this Tuesday Meow because she's obviously a Wednesday ripoff, which I find that awesome. So let's see. So inside, we've got a couple of different bags. So 3 bags inside, which isn't too bad. But let's see. Okay, so this is our main doll. As you can see, about 5 inches maybe. So slightly smaller. Okay, so there is some confetti in there, so be prepared. Okay. Trying to avoid this confetti going everywhere. I hate confetti. It is the herpes of arts and crafts. And I don't know why they included that, other than to say surprise to everyone who hates confetti. But it's got little bunnies and little kitties and hearts. So kind of cute confetti, but still not enough for me to care about that. Okay, so it looks like we got one of our boys. So we got CJ Cuddles. That's not bad. He is a, let's see what the rarity guide says. I don't know. Oh, there's not a rarity guide. All right, that's fine. But he's very cute. He's got not a soft body. This is a plastic body. Does have a bit of articulation. Not enough that I would use these bodies to replace anything. His hat is a hat, but I don't think it comes off. No, okay. So his hat looks like it is just kind of stuck on there. All right, yeah. So the hat's not removable, unfortunately. That's fine. Such is life. Now let's see what other things he's got. Okay. So he's got his little shoes. He's got little socks that have kitties on them. That's it. That's in bag number 2. So it doesn't seem like there's that many surprises, really. Okay. Oh. Interesting. So, we did not get his outfit. we got Tuesday Meow's outfit and CJ Cuddles' body, which I find hilarious, and I don't know if that is supposed to happen. Like, there's not... I don't know. So does that mean it's random surprises all the way across? Doesn't seem like that's how that would work. I don't know how that... What? Okay, hold on. We've got to take a look at this box again. So, this one has the sticker that says the little, like, moon, which is Tuesday Meow. So I guess there is a way to pick which one you're getting. But we got CJ Cuddles. Huh. That's really interesting. So if we're going off of that, then our other one that we got is this one. Where is it? So I guess it's this one, the Aspen Fluff, is the other one that we got. I don't know. I can't, I don't know if it's going to fit on his body. But that's really interesting. Let's see. Can we put it on his body? Are they the same body? Do we think? So, I mean, they fit. That's the weirdest assortment, if that's the thing. So you can maybe pick which outfit you get, but not which doll. Okay. Gotta put the kitty socks on. Okay, so they're the same bodies, at least. Huh. I don't know what to think about that. That is really cute, but slightly unsettling. Anyway, the clothes are not fabric. These are plastic. These are pretty much like sized up LOL dolls, especially in the way that the outfit goes on. The socks are fabric. The shoes are plastic. The hat doesn't come off. So I don't know how this is going to work for this one. Again, this should be our Aspen one because it's got this little snowflake on it. But let's see if that actually winds up being the case. Okay. Again, there's our little snowflake. It should be Aspen, if that system is what it is. Now, I'm going to open this over the Aspen because I don't like having the whatchamacallits in my way. With the confetti. All right. So it is our little, like, blue bunny. So we did get this one, and I guess she's Aspen, right? Yeah, Aspen Fluff. Okay, interesting. Let's see if her outfit is randomized. Okay, no, her outfit matches. So very cute. And we put her little outfit on, and then we get her little shoes. that is kind of disconcerting that we did get the wrong doll in one of our boxes, because I made sure to get the ones that were fully sealed. So that is kind of a screw up from MGA, which is fine, you know, but it's just kind of funny. Like, you guys saw it here. I didn't have him off screen or anything when I was unboxing him. And came from the box that had the little crescent moon on it. So there is our Aspen Fluff, and they're very cute. I don't know if these are worth $10. I think if I was going to get any other ones, I would wait until they were on sale. Especially knowing that they slipped an entire doll through wrong. But still very cute. I'm a little sad I didn't get the actual Gothic one, because she looks pretty cute. Tuesday Meow. So I should have gotten these two. I did get her, and I didn't get her. But I did get him. It makes no sense. So, yeah. Interesting. I don't know. I don't know how that happened. It's very bizarre. But these are made by NaNaNa, right? They're not... Yeah, these are by MGA. Okay, well, that's a pretty big whoopsie there. But still kind of cool. I like that I got him. And his outfit was kind of lame. I think the universe heard me saying I wanted one of the boys in that goth outfit, because I got a boy in that goth outfit. So there you go. So if you guys have any questions on these, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed it, leave me a like, and as always, follow along for some more fun unboxings. Bye, y'all. Be good.